Good morning, boys and girls. Today what we are going to do is we are going to working on dividing by 6. So since we're going to be working on dividing by 6, that means 6 is going to be our second number, that divisor. So we are going to be making 6 groups of everything today. So we're dividing by 6. Let's go ahead and start off with the number sentence that says 18 divided by 6. So go ahead and write that number sentence down onto your whiteboard. And then I want us to review what it is that that number sentence actually means. Remember, this first number here, this means your total, the total number of objects that you have. So write total right underneath it. That is your total number of Legos, total number of cookies, whatever it is that we are trying to separate into groups. And then this number here is always our number of groups. So go ahead and write that under. And then our answer, what we are looking for, is going to be the number in each group. So I'm just going to write each over here. Okay? So now I want us to think about what a model of this would look like. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw it out of what it should look like. So we know that this number here means our number of groups. So we're going to make 6 groups. So draw 6 groups underneath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I'm going to scooch my camera. Sorry about the glare from the open windows. Now, we know that we have got 6 groups here, but we have 18 objects. So we're going to put 18 into the groups until they are gone. So we're going to put 1 in each until we get to 18. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Stop. We're stopping because our 18 objects are now gone. If I counted, I would have 18 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I've got 18 objects total in my 6 groups. But now my quotient, or my answer, is how many are in each? Well, in this one there is 3. 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 So that means 18 divided by 6 equals 3. But now, last week, we also remember that we were relating all of our division to multiplication. So now I want to think about this model that I've drawn and what my multiplication sentence for that would be. So how many groups do we have? 6. Good. Times. How many are in the groups? 3, and that equals, how many dots did we have total? 18, very good. So if 18 divided by 6 equals 3, then 6 times 3 equals 18. There's that fact family again. 3 numbers, we're just moving them around to make 2 division sentences and 2 multiplication sentences. So go ahead and erase your board so that way we can do another example together with showing our equal groups. But this time, I'm not going to use that division symbol. This time, I am going to use our other division symbol. So please go ahead and draw that on your board. So just a straight line up and then a straight line over. Now, don't get scared when you see this. It's the same process. The numbers are just mixed around. So what's inside here is your total. Total. Your total number of objects divided by, so we read it from inside out, divided by this number is your number of groups. Okay? So total divided by your groups And your quotient goes up top here. So this is the number in each. It goes right up top. So let's do an example using it this way. So what my problem might say is, let's do 24 divided by 6. So we read it 24 divided by 6. So let's go ahead and think about what that means. 24 objects divided into 6 equal groups. So we know we've got our number of groups is 6. So let's draw that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have 24 objects to divide or to separate into those groups. So 1 in each until we get to 24. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Stop. We're stopping because we only had 24 objects. So now our quotient is the number in each. So I've got 4 in here, 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 4 in here. So what is your quotient? 4. Very good. So we write that right above it. So now let's read it. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we could solve our division problems using our multiplication table. Because remember, our multiplication table, or multiplication, is related to division. So let's take a look at this. If I were to go solve the problem, let's do 48 divided by 6. Okay. This number here we know are our totals. Our totals are found in the middle. Remember when you were doing multiplication, you used this and this to find this. So now we've got to work backwards. We're going to use this and this to find this. Okay? So in here, I know I'm looking for, on the white numbers, I'm looking for the number 48. But I'm looking for it in my 6 column. So here's my 6 column. Find your 6 and circle it. So in this column, I am looking for the number 48. My number 48 is right here. So there's my 48 divided by 6. But now I'm looking for, where is it over here? So draw a line going over this way, and what number do we land on? 8. Very good. Now, let's think about that in terms of multiplication. Look at your factors. 8 and 6. 48. So that means 8 times 6 equals 48. So 8, sorry you can't see that. So 8 times 6 equals 48. It's the same thing, you're just working backwards. So now we can use our multiplication tables to also help us solve division. Great job using your strategies. See you next week.